Hello everyone, welcome to HujiProductions. Today we're going to try and fix the awful windscreen wipers with some new ones. So the windscreen wipers have got new blades in, but they've got old arms in and they don't wash very well, so you see that it's not making good contact. So I don't know if you can see, but there's a big area across here where it's not making contact. So this is the replacement item. And you can see inside it's got these knurls that allow you to align it to a particular place on the windscreen. So these are relatively easy to take off. Just got to get a screwdriver in there and lever it, and it pops off. So it's that spring bit just there that holds it onto a notch there. So I'm going to take these blades off here because they're quite new, and see it's got a little pip there that you need to get away from the hole, and just wiggle that out. Poke this one in, so it clicks in place, and then this is ready to go on back on here. Just need to move the camera a bit. The camera needs to go just where I need to put the blade, the windscreen wiper. So that's in. Let's repeat the exercise for the other side. So, let's get this out. Pop the old arm off. Put the wiper on the new arm, and then attach this with the arm roughly in the right place. That'll be the spanner. Sure, there's a slightly better way of doing this. Okay, that's on.